talking various little steps of getting ready this morning, and I thought I would show you Americano as a ShadowSense, the limited edition that came out of the Cafe collection. This is it right here. Such a pretty color. Americano. Don't want to show you my nails because they're not in the best condition. Anyways, so Americano came in the Cafe collection. It's ShadowSense. Great consistency. You can pick it up with a brush. This is a brush we sell, number 10. It has a really great little contouring, or it's a ponytail brush basically. So the color picks up really easily and then blends really easily. If it's a highly pigmented color, then my suggestion would be take something like this and dab it so that you make sure you don't get too much color when you apply it. It's always easier to add more than to blend it down. Now granted, it's a cream to powder, so you can blend down pretty well, but it depends on how highly pigmented the shadows. And ShadowSense is some are sheer, some are matte, some are opaque, so it really depends on the shadow, and I'm always here to answer those questions. This brush is great because you can just do the back and forth, but you can also blend out. So that's one way of doing Americano. It's a really simple, beautiful color just to contour and shape. I'm going to add in the lapis, and I already had on the Candlelight because I did an earlier video talking about the light concealer versus the Candlelight ShadowSense that you can use as a concealer or a shadow primer, though you don't need a shadow primer with our products because they stay put. So ShadowSense Americano, I'll go ahead and even it out on the other side. So once again, just picking it up from here just to not pick up too much color, and the brush does the work for you. Place it in. So many different ways of applying this color. Depends on the look you're going for. As you know, I tend to go for a more natural look and accenting with the colors. So I'm just letting the brush work for me, blending it out and up a little bit. You're always wanting to play a game of lights and darks. Lights push everything forward in your color. Darks push everything back for your shadowing. So that creates the lid coming forward, the brow coming forward, and the crease going back. Make sense? And then the coloring, if you want bright colors, that's going to draw attention. And I always like to kind of go in with my fingers and blend. So there you go. That is the Americano in ShadowSense. And then I'm going to do a next video showing you adding color of the lapis ShadowSense as a really gorgeous blue tone. And we're going to go ahead and smoke up the eye a little bit with the lapis. So come on back and find it.